Welcome back to Quantum Frontier Fund, your source for the biggest breakthroughs, business moves, and market trends in quantum computing. Here's what happened this week. Let's start with the markets. Quantum investing is heating up. In just the first 5 months of 2025, more than $1.25 billion flowed into quantum ETFs. That's already 70% of last year's total. The Defiance Quantum ETF, ticker QTUM, is now sitting on over $1.3 billion in assets and is up 14% year to date. The Van Eck Quantum ETF has crossed the $100 million mark with a return of nearly 11% since launch. And even Grayscale is filing for a new quantum-focused ETF. Japan and Spain are also joining in, Japan with $7.4 billion in funding, Spain with $900 million. The momentum is clear, investors want in. On the research front, we saw big moves in the UK, Japan, and the US. In Britain, Oxford Quantum Circuits and Riverlane announced the first commercially available error-corrected quantum service in a data center. Backed by £500 million, the aim is to hit 1 million operations by 2028. Over in Japan, Osaka University debuted the country's first fully domestic quantum computer, software and hardware all built locally. And in the US, Rigetti reported a new 2-qubit fidelity record of 99.5% on its 36-qubit system, cutting error rates in half on their Anchor 3 machine. Now, to the companies making headlines. IBM continues to expand globally, partnering with TCS to open a new quantum data center in Amaravati, India, featuring a 156-qubit Heron processor. That system should be live by early 2026. IBM also teamed up with AMD to build hybrid architectures that blend quantum processes with AMD's classical CPUs, GPUs, and FPGAs. A public demo is expected later this year. Meanwhile, Quantinuum launched 2 new developer tools, Guppy, a Python-embedded programming language, and Selene, a powerful emulator. These are aimed at bringing more developers into the ecosystem, and there are even rumors of a Quantinuum IPO by 2026 or 2027. IonQ also had a strong week. Analyst coverage from B. Riley gave the stock a buy rating and a $61 price target, nearly 50% upside. IonQ now holds more than 1,000 patents, has $1.6 billion in cash, and nearly 40% of its revenue comes from consulting and cloud services. And let's not forget D-Wave. With $800 million in cash and 42% revenue growth in Q2, the company is looking at more than 40 possible acquisitions as it expands into gate-model quantum computing. Investors are watching closely as D-Wave transitions from its annealing roots into a broader player. Looking ahead, the industry outlook remains bullish. McKinsey projects quantum revenues could hit $72 billion by 2035, with the total quantum ecosystem worth nearly $200 billion by 2040. The key challenges remain the same: error correction and scalable qubit design. But with major progress in the UK, Japan, the US, and India, the race is clearly accelerating. So, to wrap up, investor money is flowing in, research labs are breaking barriers, and companies like IonQ, D-Wave, IBM, and Quantinuum are making bold moves. The message? Quantum isn't just theory anymore, it's becoming business, and it's becoming global. That's your quantum update for the week. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next episode of Quantum Frontier Fund.